First, take a piece of aluminum foil. Now place the iron on top of the foil. Carefully press it to shape the foil. Once the aluminum foil has the shape of the iron, lift it up. Now, get ready to use it. Place the garment you need to iron on the ironing board and put the aluminum foil directly underneath the fabric. That's it. Now run the iron over the fabric as you normally would. Watch how the wrinkles disappear quickly. It's amazing how this simple step makes such a big difference. Many people struggle with wrinkles that seem impossible to remove, even after running the iron over them several times. This makes ironing frustrating and leaves some garments with a less than perfect finish. Now, thanks to this trick, those worries are a thing of the past. The aluminum foil reflects the iron's heat back into the fabric, doubling its efficiency. This not only removes wrinkles faster but also ensures a more uniform finish.